Alright, ebuson mo bibia kwa ban family 2 kenis and blossom o YouTube so say ebuson for ya ba as usual. Ensem ahodo a ekoso e Ghana se ne beso mahwefo enyina. Na ebuson de tenyina nse say Ghana Bar Association enso de ensem bi ababotodwa. Ni nyina fa chese Justice Torkonoo eye decision a John Mahama Ghana man panyini afa maame huin. Ana say no empenfo ahodo akasa nchi ma ahodo bebre na aba ede afasa eye issue ho a ahemfo mpenfo ne nkofo bi nso achecho madwon se be yanka John Mahama ensa nso ne maame ne enya adwuma ne mum NDC for the mayo say there is no way a ombeti ase se maame no omo ne eba be adwuma ana say no yes Ghana Bar Association nso e de aba bonten say omofo John Mahama so say yes maame no yempam no omo de ekoso bia no omo support say ebe ya ndibre no en manimu ya akra no engine free ni sakura na nka bibia infro ni nya suspension ya ade na mempese mkase betenten ebeko yakwa akwaje ensem ni nyina enchiri mu ede abayeba ba betina se ne di ho enkomo city make us so nya subscribing fama eye channel ya se be next time ye drop video and se be ka video ni tentem no na wa subscribe now we are the bell notification icon so to se be ya me drop video and se be ka video no tentem so our channel so medin ede kwa ambiento.
She has not been sacked. The president has not issued any green paper to say Chief Justice Madam Torkonoo has been sacked. When we said Jubilee House a release statement, you say I sack Chief Justice. No. How can review mean cancellation? I'm not surprised. Say the same people who said review means cancellation, they are the same people saying that suspension means sack. Jimmy. Why is the Ghana Bar Association not speaking on this matter? The Ghana Bar Association, why haven't they released a statement on this matter? If they believe that the Chief Justice has not been treated fairly. So Ghana Bar Association, why haven't they released a statement? If the Chief Justice is being treated unfairly, why the Ghana Bar Association? Some constitution, and then the Ghana Bar Association, they have not released a statement to say the president has gone against the constitution. Why haven't they said, the action the president has taken, the process, the whole system, the whole issue has gone through is against the constitution or has been a process that is deliberate against the Chief Justice? And I want the Ghana Bar Association release this statement because they know that whatever has happened has been in the right order. They know the president has lived by the constitution. They know nothing wrong has been done. Argentina Ghana Bar Association release this statement. Because the MPP go and protest and tell your leadership to release a statement that the John Mahama and NDC, any committee, any constitution, any council of state, Ghana Bar Association to release this statement. If they see anything wrong with this process, the minimum say Asamaba President Edim Ranoso, you see Chief Justice on Kakra, na investigations in Koso. Investigations in Wie. Na said who so on Sambrambe Chief Justice Asamasa. And then I is asking, what has the president done wrong? In Kwasia Fuasefo, Mugi say 1992 politics. You people think we are still doing 1992 politics. Me, 70 TV, so there's a reason why I don't do interviews. I don't grant interviews. Because majority of the people in Ghana, omudi politics, political parties, especially MPP4, they are so stupid to the point they cannot sit before me and answer my questions. Because it does not matter who you are in the NPP. So the first question I'll ask you is that, did the president do anything wrong? So share a constitutional, a guided president, I'm taking this decision against the Chief Justice. The president even went further to give the Chief Justice enough hearing room. Enough room to be heard. Now look at this. Okay? When you read the constitution, Chapter 11, the judiciary. So we read here, 146, removal of Chief Justice of Superior Courts and Chairman of Regional Tribunals. Now, John Mahama did that. Normally, it doesn't normally happen. Yeah? Where the petition is for the removal of Chief Justice, where the petition is for the removal of the Chief Justice, the president shall, this shall, technically is a command. The president shall, he must, he should, the president shall, acting in consultation with the Council of State, appoint a committee consisting of 2 justices of the Supreme Court, one of whom shall be appointed chairman by the president, and 3 other persons who are not members of the Council of State, nor members of Parliament, nor lawyers. Did the president do this? Yes. Petitions against the Chief Justice, when did they start? When Akufo-Addo was in power, he received petitions. What did he do? He said he did not see anything in it. That was what he saw. So if today the president receives petition and sees something in it, what has the president done? Akufo-Addo received petitions. He thought or he felt that the petitions he received, it did not have any merit. It did not have enough evidence to, at the end of the day, push to the Council of State. So he threw the petitions away. This president has also received petitions from the same Ghanaians. These same people, they brought petition to the president. He looked at it and said he sees something in it. He handed it over to the Council of State. What wrong has the president done? Who is the international community? Who? Ukraine? Which international community hasn't committed a crime in their own country? Do you know the people who have been abused in the UK? Do you know the people who have been abused in the United States? Do you know the people who are going through judicial hostilities in this so-called international community? You are mad. In the international community, your constitution, who is the international community? Who? Was the international community now in Ghana when you fools shot 8 people during our elections? What did they do? You people are mad. What more about them? You see, this is the constitution. 7. The committee appointed under clause 6 of this article shall inquire into the petition and recommend to the president whether the Chief Justice ought to be removed from office. Did the president do that? The president basically put together a committee. What did the committee do? They have to, at the end of the day, recommend. Did they recommend? You are a fool to say the international community. Now you go to 8. All proceedings under this article shall be held in camera, and the justice or chairman against whom the petition is made is entitled to be heard in his defense by himself or by a lawyer or other aspect of his choice. Has the president gone against this? No, we are not even there yet. Now you go there. The president shall in each case act in accordance with the recommendation of the committee. Now, as we sit here, the Chief Justice has been given every single allegation against her. The president, when you go back and you read, the president was not even supposed to do it. If you read the constitution very well, but this president even gave this woman 10 days. Now, as we sit here, you sit there and you tell me, say, the judiciary is under attack. Which part of the judiciary is being attacked? Tell me. You see, the NPP as a political party cannot differentiate between tribalism or tribal politics and real politics. The same way they cannot differentiate between their sentiments, how they feel, and what the facts are. That has been the problem of this party. This tribal, stupid, piglet party. It has always been about intertwining, mixing tribalism with politics, mixing chieftaincy with politics. They cannot take their emotions out and look at the matter. Because I'm still yet to see one person come on social media, on TV, traditional radio or TV, to tell me emphatically that John Mahama has gone against the law. Then I'll have a problem. Into Abrafuna Moko Mohomoko granting interviews, no. The president you are talking about and saying his government they have stabbed the judiciary in the back. Has he gone against the constitution? What is making you call the president a tyrant? Is it your opinion that is making you think the president is a tyrant? Or the facts are showing the president is a tyrant? Because it is only the facts that can conclude that the president has acted against the constitution. And where has the president acted against the constitution in this whole process? Yodium. Demonstration. Demonstration. The international world. That is why you are going to be in opposition for 42 years and over. And I am promising you people that. It is clear. A committee needs to be put together. The Chief Justice today, the Council of State, they have established a prima facie case against her. The next step is for the president to determine whether she stays or she steps aside for a committee to be put together for investigations to be done. What wrong has the president done? Your problem is that if Akufo-Addo sees 1 + 1 as 3, John Mahama should also see 1 + 1 as 3. That is your thinking. So Akufo-Addo 1 + 1 as 3. I was said by force John Mahama, so he needs to see 1 + 1 as 3. Nankasani Kanadia, Sankwasiafo, Monamakacha say review means cancellation. And I'm a into today, no, Yanka say review means cancellation. You people are stupid. Because Jimmy, the party is filled with people who cannot think deep. They think about their emotions. I don't know where you say, John Mahama, or person change, or quite issue, or quite where Jimmy. Look at the issues. From today, from Ochina, all that you hear, John Mahama per se, almost per se, Siano, Mami Conchamo. Don't person we say, oh, Jemen, some person we Jemensa. Now, Jemensa is above the law. The president himself is not above the law. So, Jemensa no number is he above the law? No. Mrs. NPP for say, because John Mahama has followed the constitution and followed the right thing, we'll take a decision. So, I'm about power in 8 years, 42 years. Now, we'll be changing every judge in the Supreme Court. I don't care. As far as you have grounds. I'm going to constitution, and the men can say the acting chief justice. And the men can say occur against the Juma or somebody can write a petition and he himself too can be changed. The constitution was written to guide us, to protect us. So what stops you from using or applying the constitution? It's end over to yes, you see, John Mahama, only the Bush for NDC for Omu Yoku. Don't man say, the chief justice, no, chief justice, no, Omu easy, no, easy, no, be easy, no, bonia. Because who feel say it goes against you, what put them? You people cannot think deep. Listen to your analysis. Nipa bako baka say, "Ana me call school no. We na chile. So we read the constitution na. John Mahama a mistake. John Mahama di bone. Obi anu obetima kasa ase ni bi Ghana. Inyanma. Mwe Jimmy. Muko school amunsuya die. Sensationalism, sentiments, tribal sentiment. You are whipping people's emotions. You think that can win you power? That cannot win any full power in Ghana. That cannot win any full power. Because you need to let the people listening to you. You need to let them understand the say. You need to let them understand the say. They are all can Mr. P, Mr. S. So when you read the whole article I was reading to you, the CJ has been suspended. It is in accordance with Ghana Mrano. Now the question here is, CJ being suspended, does it mean CJ has been sacked? CJ has not been sacked. A committee has been put together. The president wants to get to the bottom of the matter. In fact, Ghanaians and the constitution wants to get to the bottom of the matter. Now, constitution is Sama president, that opportunity whether to keep the CJ or to let the CJ step aside. The president believes, say, the CJ needs to step aside for a clean cut investigations in camera. What is the big deal here? As we speak today, Madam Torkonoo is a CJ. She has been suspended. You people are making it look like, say, Munim says CJ no, ya pamono. Why not Pamo Torkonoo or Ghana? Obian pamono. She has been suspended. Now, suspension, when did suspension become sack? I am asking the MPP. And Kwasiavo did it to social media. The MPP before. When did suspension become sack? Unless you prove to me that suspension is sack. Into more to TV, so radio, so City News, if one join news, for the simplest question is suspension sack? Is suspension sack? When somebody is suspended, does it mean the person has been sacked? So why are you people making it look like say CJ has been sacked? She has not been sacked. She has just been suspended. Unless you say you people, you in your dictionary, suspension means sack. Me, I will not engage fools and have this kind of banter of interview people. Now unim nyansa cheme. Wona me pese me interview unim nyansa cheme. Unim nyansa cheme. Omo mo hwe me unim nyansa cheme omo ana. Unim nyansa cheme. Adena wo read na eno abi na me read. Adentina wo say me fro say me be grant to interview. Kan de wo mu kire me. And obesori anopa no na nkofo TV so Oh, we want to talk to this man. Why are you talking to that man? The constitution is clear on the issue. Why do we need to interview somebody? That means me and Jimmy. The people are watching me. Suspension doesn't mean sack. Chief Justice Torkonoo, sorry. She has not been sacked. She's been suspended. She understands suspension as sack. Where did the president say I have sacked Chief Justice?